Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in AutoCAD for beginners. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to draw a floor plan in AutoCAD step by step. So I am going to draw a floor plan which length is 41 feet by 10 inches and width is 32 feet by 10 inches, and I will tell you step by step procedure. So this is a drawing viewport and this is unitless. So first we are required to set a unit, so I'm going to type a command units, and you will get this window drawing units, and I'm going to draw in feet and inches. So I'm going to select architectural and I will set the precision 0 feet 0 on oblique 16 inches. You can select any of this, and I'm going to set unit to scale inserted content, so I'm going to set this to fit here, and I will leave this as international. I will click OK, and I will click OK again. Then I am going to set a limits so that you can zoom in and zoom out easily. So it is asking limits, specify lower left corner 0 feet 0 inches, 0 feet 0 inches. So I am going to enter the same command, and next is specify upper right corner. So I'm going to set a higher value so that we can zoom in and zoom out easily our AutoCAD drawing. So I'm going to enter 500 feet, comma 600 feet, enter, and then I will enter zoom and Z, enter, and then I will enter A for all. So you can see we can zoom in and zoom out easily. So this is the benefit of setting limits upper right corner. So next step is that I'm going to draw a line, and I will set ortho mode on, and we'll take the dimension here, dim linear, DLI for dim linear, and we'll see our dimension units to the scale. So it is not in feet and inches, so we are required to set our dimension style manager. So I'm going to enter D for dimension style manager, and we'll select extended here, and I'm going to select modify. Then we'll set this primary units. Unit format is in decimal, so I'm going to change in architectural because I am working in feet and inches, and precision will be same. You can make it 0 feet 0 inches also. And now I'm going to leave this like this, and rest everything is same. So I'm going to set this symbols and arrows, and we'll set this to architectural tick, and leader is also architectural tick, and arrow size you can make it as 9 inches, and text size also you can set it to 9 inches, and you can change the text color if you want. You can select any green color or yellow color, likewise. Okay, and then set to current, close. Now we'll check our dimension style manager units, and I'm going to take the dimension of this line. This is 271 feet 1 inches. So now it is in feet and inches. Now I'm going to draw my uh, length of the plot, that is 41 feet 10 inches by 32 feet 10 inches. So you can select a line here, or you can select also rectangle. I'm going to select rectangle unit, command rectangle, and now I'm going to click once, and now can draw rectangle. And now I'm going to enter D for dimension, and it is asking a specify length of the rectangle. So I'm going to enter 32 feet 10 inches, and then width of the rectangle, that is 41 feet 10 inches. So this is the size of our plot. So I'm going to take the measurement, This is 41 feet 10 inches, and we'll take the dimensions by hitting a space key. This is 32 feet 10 inches. So this is the size of our plot. So now next thing is that we are required to set some layers. So I will suggest you to first create layers and then work in that layers. So I'm going to create a new layer by creating alt plus n, and now this is the layer for wall, and you can change the wall color here, and I will select red here, and you can change the line weight here, and for wall I will select 0.35 mm, and next we'll create another layer for window, and we'll select light blue here, and you can change the line weight for window 0.05 mm. You can take any of the line weights, and next I'm going to create another layer for door, and we'll select door color here, and I'm going to select this color here, or we can select any other color here, and you can make it to 0.09. Okay, next we'll create layers for stairs, and I will select the stairs color here, so I'm going to select yellow for stairs, and I will set this thickness to 0.05. And now next we'll create uh, layers for our fixtures, furnitures, if anything, and you can create a new layer, and likewise you can set furniture fixture color, or can set any color. So I'm going to select this one, and then we'll create a hatch color here. So likewise create layers, so it is better to work in layers. So now I'm going to select this wall as a current layer, so I will double click this, so this you can see this is a tick mark. So now we are in our wall layer, you can see here. So I'm going to select this, and I will change to wall layer here. Then we'll give a offset here. An outer wall I'm going to set it as 9 inches, so I'm going to enter 9, and this is in inches, so we'll offset this as a 9 inches. So next I'm going to draw my first room, that is 11 feet 5 inches by 13 feet 4 inches. So I'm going to first give a offset here, and I will draw a line here, and I'm going to enter 13 feet 4 inches, and we'll set this as a 11 feet 4 inches. This is, so I'm going to explode this so that it becomes line. I will give a offset 11 feet 4 inches, 11 feet 5 inches, sorry. So I'm going to enter O for offset, and I will give a offset value here 11 feet 5 inches. So you can see now we'll print this off, TR enter for trimming. So in higher version you are required to click only once, and interior walls I will take it as 4.5 inches or 5 inches. So I'm going to give a offset O, enter, and it is asking the offset, specify offset distance. So for interior wall I will take as a 5 inches, so I will enter 5, and I will offset this. So now you can use fillet command to fillet these corners here. So we'll join this. I'm going to enter F for fillet, and I will click on this. So this is our first room, and You can trim this tr, and you can trim this line here, and you can trim this line here. Then take the measurement to cross verify. TLI enter. This is 11 feet 5 inches, and length also you can 13 feet 4 inches. Now the next step is that we are going to draw our stairs here and veranda. So I will go and extend this line here, EX enter. So in higher version, you are just required to use EX for extend, and your line will be extended till your next joining lines. So I'm going to extend this, and now I am going to draw my veranda and stairs. So I will give a veranda offset 10 feet 9 inches. So I will give a value here 10 feet 9 inches. That is the veranda here. And the next is we are required to draw stairs. So now I am going to draw my stairs here. So I will go here and I will start drawing stairs. So I'm going to select stairs here, and now I'm going to draw my first line here. I will start drawing stairs from here, and the stairs width I will take as a 3 feet 6 inches, and this is my riser, first riser here. I will grid this line. This was just to uh, mark the point where we are going to start the staircase riser. So now I'm going to give offset for my tread. So tread generally is a 10 inches 11 inches, or you can also take 1 foot. So I'm going to offset this as 11 inches. So this is our tread, and now I'm going to start drawing stairs. So this is our risers. So I'm going to draw another risers here, and you can take the measurement here, and this is 4 feet 2 inches. So we are required to draw 3 feet 6 inches only. So I'm going to offset this as a 3 feet 6 here, and now I'm going to trim this, and you can get this. Now I'm going to offset this as 11 inches. So again we'll start drawing our steps here. So now if you will see here, we are required to draw our stairs, and you can see here this is 3 feet 5 inches. So now I am going to count the risers: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So I'm going to draw 6 risers more, and you can take the riser height as a 6 inches standard. So now we will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, and I'll draw one more here. And now I'm going to draw a line here, and then a line here. Now this is our staircase, and you can give the railing also if you want, and you can take a 2 inches offset to draw railings. Can join this, can trim this by using tear. So this is our veranda and staircase, and now I am going to give a double door here, and for this I am going to insert Autocad blocks. So I have downloaded from Google, and I'm going to open this Autocad blocks, and I'm going to take this double door, and I will control C this, and now I will use control tab again, and then I will paste it by using control V. So now this is in metric, so we are required to scale this and change the layer, and I am going to use door layer here. So now I am going to give an entrance here of 8 feet. So I am going to scale. So I will enter SC, enter for scaling, and I will click on this endpoint. Then you can see after this it is asking specify scale factor, copy or reference. So I'm going to enter R for reference, enter, and then again I will click on this endpoint and then the endpoint here, and then I will enter value of this width 8 feet. So now our door is as 8 feet. So now we'll select this door, and I will move by using M, and I will turn the ortho off, and I will bring it here. So now I will use line command here. You can also use construction line. So I'm going to give a offset 8 feet here, and I will trim this, and I will reduce this. So I want everything in a close intersection. So now you can match the properties. I'm going to use MA for match the properties of this wall color with this color, and now we'll match with this, and select on this line. You can reduce this size here. So this is basics way of drawing. So I'm going to select the door, and I will move slightly here on the left side, and now it is okay. So if you want to take the measurement and cross verify, enter DLI or dim linear, and take the linear dimension here. So this is 8 feet. So this is our double door, and next I'm going to draw a window for this. So I'm going to take any window size. I will take a midpoint here, and I will take 3 feet from this side, 3 feet on this side, and we'll trim this off. TR enter, trim this, and trim these lines. So this is our door, and you can match the properties. Now I'm going to select the layer for window, and I'm going to draw a line L, enter. So I'm going to give offset. I will take midpoint of this window. So this is the basics of drawing window, and I'm going to give offset of 1 inches here and 1 inches here, and I will delete this midpoint. So this is our window. You can also draw any window here if you want. And now I'm going to select L, and I will take the midpoint, and I'm going to draw 3 feet offset from here. So all the window sizes is 6 feet. So you can take any other size depending on the your design. can change the position of the window along wall. So I'm going to match these properties. MA enter and then enter L for your window, and then I'm going to draw a midpoint here. I will take line command, then give offset of 1 inch from this side, 1 inch from the another side. That is the midline. This is our window, and next I'm going to draw a door along here. So I will use extend. I will extend this line, and then I'm going to take a door block here. You can also get door blocks from your tool palettes. So you can go to view and you can select tool palettes here and you can draw doors. I have downloaded door blocks from outside, so you can get this. So I'm going to select this door. I'm going to use Control C, then Control tab, and then we are in our drawing area. And now I'm going to use Control V to paste my drawing of door, and this is our door. I will select this door and then I will go to home and change the layer to door here. And now I'm going to use a scale command to resize this to our drawing unit. So this is in a metric, this is in a feet. So I'm going to reduce this to bedroom door width. So I'm going to use a scale factor. So I'm going to use R for my scale factor, and then I will click on this endpoint and then this endpoint and I will enter value. So I'm going to take the standard width, so that is 3 feet or 900 mm. So I'm going to use 3 feet. So this is our 3 feet bedroom door. I will select this door and move, and I'm going to put it here, and then I will use rotate, use ortho command, and I'm going to again mirror this, and then I'm going to delete a source object. Yes. So now this is our door position, and I'm going to move this here. So now I'm going to give offset 3 feet here, and I will trim this line and trim this line here, and position this line here, and you can also trim this. So this is windows and door position in our first bedroom, and this is the veranda. And now after this you can draw our next bedroom here, and next bedroom is 11 feet by 13 feet. So I'm going to draw my window here. So I'm going to first draw a 15 feet uh, line. So sorry, the window bedroom size is 11 feet by 15 feet on the back side. So I will draw a line here. First I will give a offset here 15 feet. I can take off 15 feet here, and now from this end I'm going to take 11 feet. So our bedroom is 11 by 15. So this is our bedroom on the rear side. So I'm going to trim this, and I will trim this. So now I'm going to give offset 5 inches for my walls, and I will use fillet, join these two lines using fillet command. So we can take the measurement here, TLI enter. This is 11 feet. This is 15 feet. So now I'm going to insert a door here and window. So I'm going to trim this first and trim this here. So now I'm going to use mirror. I will select this door and I will use mirror, and I will select N for no. I want to retain this mirror object. So I'm going to move this, and now I'm going to move this here, and from this I will take 4 inches from this wall end, and I will extend it till this line, and I will pin this. So now I'm going to move this door by using move command, and I will move this here, and then I will give an offset of 3 feet. So now I will trim this and drag this, and can also use trim, or you can use fillet, or you can drag this simply. So this is our bedroom door on the back side, and now in the same way can draw windows. So I'm going to select L here, and I will take 3 feet offset, and you can trim this. So you can use match properties MA, and you can match with the wall color or layer. Then you can use window layer, which is our current layer. Draw a line here, draw a midline, then give a offset of 1 inch on the both side, left or right, and then delete the midline here. So this is our window, and the next window in the back side, and I'm going to draw a midline here, and I will take 6 feet again. So I will draw a 3 feet offset here and 3 feet offset here. Then I will trim this line off, and now we can trim this. Then you can match these properties. So I'm going to use MA, and I will match with the wall layer. Then I will use again current layer window, and you can draw a midline here, give offset 1 inches. So this is the rear side window sizes and door. And now next we are going to draw toilet, and there is a toilet which is common, and that sizes is 8 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 7 inches. So now I'm going to give a offset of 4 feet 7 inches. So I'm going to enter O, and then I will give a offset value 4 feet 7 inches, and I will give a offset here. This is 4 feet 7 inches, and I'm going to take a wall thickness 5 inches, that is for interior wall, and we'll give a wall here offset, and the length is 8 feet 8 feet 6 inches. So I'm going to enter O, enter, and then I will offset through 8 feet 6 inches. Will enter a value, and then again this is the length of the toilet, and I will again offset this 5 inches to give my interior wall here, and then I will trim this line here. So this is our toilet, and there is a walk-in closet, and walk-in closet width is 4 feet 8 inches. So I'm going to give a offset here 4 feet 8 inches here. I will offset this again with 5 inches. So this is our walk-in closet offset, and this walk-in closet. will give a offset here, and I'm going to draw a line here in the midpoint, and then I will trim this. I want to keep it open, walk-in closet, and then we'll match the wall layer with this. Then trim this joint here. So this is the space for walk-in closet, and this is the space for toilet. So I can trim this here also. And now I'm going to enter a door. So I will enter a door width, and this door width is 3 feet, but for toilet the standard size is 750 mm or 2 feet 6 inches. So I'm going to scale this. So I will select this, and I'm going to select scale. Then I will select on this endpoint, and then I will give a reference or enter. Then again I will select on this endpoint, and then endpoint, and I will give a value here 2 feet 6 inches. So this is our door width, and then I will give a offset here 2 feet 6 inches from the wall. So you can see this is the our door width for toilet. Trim this. So now this is space for toilet, and trim this joint here. So now I am going to give a line here and walk-in closet. So I am going to give a wardrobe width. So I will take as 2 feet. So I will take this as a furniture layer, and I will enter a line command here and enter 2 feet, or you can simply give a offset here 2 feet. That is quick and easy. And you can change the layer to furniture here. And now I am going to hash this wardrobe. So I'm going to use H enter, and I will select this area, and then you can change the hash type, and I'm going to enter this value angle as 45. We can take this as 180, 135. So I'm going to keep this as 135. So this is our wardrobe. So I prefer to hatch like this, and you can also change any other pattern if you want by using hatch. So this is our walk-in closet, and you can also draw a wash basin here. So I'm going to give a vanity here, and I will take this as again 2 feet offset here, and I will match with this fixtures or furnitures, and take the layer for fixtures also. So now I am going to draw a wash basin. So you can download this from external websites. So I will wash basin cat block. Can create library by downloading this. So I'm going to download this cat blocks. I will open this, and now I'm going to select any wash basin here, and I will select any simple wash basin. So I will select this one. I will use Control C and Control tab again, and now I am in my drawing area. I'm going to paste this by using Control V, and we'll scale this to any wash basin standard sizes. So I'm going to use the scale command or enter for reference. I will click on this endpoint and this endpoint. So I'm going to take this size as 1 feet 6 inches. So this is wash basin, and I'm going to change this layer to furniture, or can create any other layer. I will suggest to create another layer. So I'm going to move this here, and this is our wash basin area. So this is the wash basin, this is walk-in closet, and this is the toilet area, and this is the bedroom. Now we are going to draw the same bedroom here. So I'm going to uh, draw same size bedroom here, and we'll take this and we'll bring this current wall layer here. I'm going to match this footage with this wall layer, and I will use offset of 5 inches. So now I'm going to enter a door here. So I'm going to give a offset here 4 inches, and then we'll trim this one, and now I'm going to give offset 3 feet. So you can see this is the door width. I'm going to trim this off, and now we'll place a door. I'm going to select this door, and I will use copy command, cu enter, and I will move this here, and then I'm going to rotate this, and I will turn this ortho mode on so that we can move it perpendicularly. So I'm going to use move command, and I will join this here. So this is our the bedroom, and sizes are same. So this is another bedroom. So I'm going to extend this, and I'm going to draw a line here, and I'm going to use offset 5 inches for this bedroom. So I'm going to move this door with copy command, and I will use copy to copy and move this door here, and then we'll move this till this corner, and then you can give an offset of 3 feet, and you can trim this by using tr, trim this line, trim this line, and trim this line, and you can also trim this line and drag and move. So this is our another bedroom, and you can draw a window if you want. So I am going to draw windows. So we'll trim this here, trim this here. So now I'm going to draw a window, and I'm going to give offset 3 feet here and 3 feet to this side. We'll trim this. Now I'm going to select my window layer here, and I'm going to enter L, and I will draw midline here, and then I'm going to give offset 1 inches this side and offset this side. So this is a window for this bedroom, and now I'm going to enter a line here, and I will trim this, and now I'm going to select this point, offset this as a 3/4 from this side, 3 feet from this side, and now I'm going to trim this, and now I'm going to match this, and I will copy this because these are of same size. So now this is our basics layout of this area, and now I'm going to draw a another toilet area here. So I'm going to draw a kitchen and a bath and powder room kind of thing here. So I'm going to first take this offset as a 4 feet here, and now offset another 5 inches, and now I'm going to draw a line here, this line, and I'm going to give a offset 5 inches. Oh, offset 5 inches. We'll trim this. So this is in current window layer, so we can use match properties MA intro. So now we can trim this. So I'm going to draw my door for this toilet area, and I will take this door and I'm going to copy this, select door and copy this, and then move this here, and now I'm going to rotate this door here. So we can draw any attached kind of bathroom, but this is a very simple design, so there is no attached toilet. So I'm going to trim this, and you can also trim this line here. Now I'm going to match with this, drag this line here, trim this. So this is the toilet, and this is the small kitchen area. So I'm going to trim this here, and if you take the measurement, this is a small L shape area, 6 feet 9 inches. Now I'm going to give an offset for kitchen slab 2 feet from this end and 2 feet from this end, and you can trim this line, and you can give offset here to match the properties. So I will change this layer to furniture here. You can also create another layer. So this is the kitchen slab, this is a toilet. So this is the basics layout of our residential floor plan on the ground floor, and you can utilize this for practicing in your project. And now I'm going to insert another door, so I will copy this here, and I will move this here, or you can simply move this door, copy, and you can mirror this, and now I'm going to create a line here, and I'm going to give offset 3 feet from going to the veranda in the hall area. So we'll move this here, and I'm going to move this here, and I will match these properties. Sorry, let's select a door also. So this is the veranda, and this is the whole area. So I have given one entrance. So you can see we have uh, draw drawn the basic layout of this floor plan, and you can give outer dimension by using dim linear DLI intro, and you can give outer dimensions here 32 feet 10 inches, and you can take the length as a 41 feet 10 inches. So this is the dimensions, and you can create another layer here. I will suggest to create another layer, and a new layer text, and I will give this as a white color, and thickness you can take any value. I'm going to take 0.0 mm, and create a current layer of text. So now I'm going to select my text layer and I will select this and make it as a text layer. So this is the outer dimensions, and now I'm going to uh, write my bedroom and furniture dimensions and interior. So I will enter text command here, T enter, and now I'm going to write here bedroom, and now I'm going to give this dimension as 11 feet 0 inches by 15 feet, and you can select this and give a value here. So I'm going to make it as a 5 inches text. So this is our interior dimensions, so we can increase this value, and I'm going to take this as a 8 inches text height. So now this is the bedroom dimensions here, and next we'll copy this, and now I'm going to give a toilet dimensions here. So I will double click this and enter toilet, and I will enter this value 8 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 7 inches, and you can draw ventilation shaft here the mist, and I'm going to give offset here 1 feet and 1 feet here, and I will delete this and I will trim this, and I will use arrows. I will match with these properties, and I will give the offset 1 inches from this side and from this side, and I will match with this. So this is the ventilation, and the toilet text is here. I will copy this same text because this is symmetrical, and now I'm going to give this bedroom dimensions. This is 11 feet 5 inches by 13 feet, and we'll give the whole dimensions here. This is 11 feet 5 inches by 11 feet. We'll take this whole dimensions. It's 11 feet 2 inches, and length is 12 feet 3 inches. So I'm going to 12 feet 3 inches by 11 feet 2 inches. This is the hall, and this is the kitchen area. So you can take the dimensions here. This is the kitchen area. Length is 7 feet 8 inches by 6 feet 9 inches. So this is the kitchen. So this is 7 feet 8 inches by 6 feet 9 inches. So I'm going to give outer dimensions of the bedroom. So I'm going to copy this again, and you can enter this value, and this is 13 feet 4 inches, and this is 11 feet 5 inches. Now I'm going to copy this again, and I will write the dimensions of veranda area. So this is 10 feet 9 inches. So I will double click this and change this to veranda. This is 10 feet 9 inches. my 11 feet 6 inches. So this is the veranda area, and you can use arrow here. You can use line command to throw a arrow, and you can write here text here up. So we are going up from this side. So we are required to draw a staircase break line here. Make this, and we are required to show a dash line from the eye level. So you can draw, and you can convert all this into a dash line. So you can double click this, and you can go to line type here, and can change this to dash line. Can use the line type scale, and I'm going to match these properties. This one. So this is the staircase plan, and you can also write here, copy this text and double click this, and you can write grade is 11 inches, riser equal to 6 inches, and width of the stair is equal to 3 feet 6 inches. So now you can see this is our text for interior dimensions, and you can also write here walk-in closet, walk-in closet. This is 8 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 8 inches. So this is what dimensions. So it is almost done, and now we can use line command here, and we can uh, insert some more line here, and we can load some line here. So I'm going to enter dashed line here, and I'll click OK, and then I'm going to draw sunset for this windows. So I'm going to take a 4 inches offset from this side, and I will draw a line, and then we can take the northward command here, and I'm going to give width 1 feet 6 inches, and then you can draw another line here, can give offset 4 inches, and you can draw a sunset here, and you can trim this, delete this line. So now you can double click here, and you can change the line type to dash line here, and you can increase or decrease the scale. So you can see this is our dash line. Manage the properties. So now I'm going to copy this here, and you can also draw a sunset here likewise. So you can create a floor plan like this, like So now I am going to draw a entrance here and will give some steps and will join this line with this, and I will give landing offset 3 feet, and we'll take trade as 11" here also. So this is the height from plinth. So this is 1 feet 6 inches from the road level, and join this and and move this line in the layer to steps stairs layer, and we can draw a arrow. So now I'm going to select text here, and I will double click on this and I will write entrance. So this was the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session, I will come with some more interesting topics in AutoCAD. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.